Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about one of the most common questions that I've been getting a lot in my videos, and I feel like I really want to address this particular comment and question in this video because I really feel it's essential for me to talk about it so that you guys would be clear about it, and for any of you guys, if you have the same questions, it will be answered for you. So let's get started with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel because we will be uploading more such videos. And we do have a freebies, the free guides, the free KDP interiors, the free textures, patterns, graphics, all the link are in the description box below. Or simply head over to globalcreative.com, get over to the freebie section and download all the freebies that we have, and make sure to check it out each month because we'll be adding more freebies and it contains a full commercial license. So you can use it for your KDP or for your print on demand purpose. Now let's talk about that question or that comment and what is my reaction to that comment, because so that particular comment or the question is, I have uploaded 50 products onto the Jazzle, still not getting any sales, got 4 views, 5 views, but not getting any sales. The similar question is, I uploaded 100 products onto the Creative Fabrica, but not making any sales, not making money on that. Another question is, I have uploaded 100 products onto the Teepublic, still not getting any sales. So I've been getting repeatedly such kind of questions many times in my videos. So I feel like I need to address this thing, and I want to talk about what is exactly to do in such scenarios and how you can make money from your shops and all. So talking about the first important factor, that is the quality and the quantity. People think that they just need to upload 10 products, 50 products, 100 products, and they're expecting to get the sales within a month, within 4 weeks, and the quick return from the stuffs. But I want to tell you guys, whatever platform you're picking up, there are the millions of products already exist on that particular platform. If you would be the pioneer, like for example for the Jazzle, I think it gets started back in the 2006 maybe or 2004, around that corner, and if you were the pioneer, you were early beginner and starting on that platform and then uploading that products, you would be making much money right now in 2021. But since you're not a pioneer, you're entering the market when the market is quite saturated and you are just uploading 50 products, and second that in that of the products, where your 50 products will going to lie, it will going to hide away in that background of the millions of products, because these platforms are already having the shops, already having the products that are pretty selling well on their platform. So they are putting those products up on the search results because they already proven that those products are selling well on the platform. So it's quite obvious that those platforms will going to keep all those products or all those designs on the top of the search results which are selling well, which are the best selling. And your 50 products will going to be, on the page 100, 200, 300, and think of that, whether will customer ever going to go to the 200? No. Like even if you are purchasing anything from the Amazon, if you're searching for the clothing on the Amazon, and if you probably would be going up to 20 or the 30 pages, that's all. And in the 20 and 30 pages, you would be choosing your product and you would be expecting to purchase that product, but you won't be going to the 100 pages or 200 pages and so on. So obviously you need to upload more products. I couldn't emphasize more. I always been talking a lot about this thing, upload more products. Don't just expect to make good money from or make good sales from just 50 products or just 100 products. They have the millions of the products already selling well on these platforms. I'm getting a lot of the comments and I've been talking a lot in my videos to upload more. Like nothing can beat the consistency. You need to upload more because you're entering the market when it's quite saturated. If you are entering the platform in which you are a pioneer, in which you are an early bird, then obviously you'll be getting more sales and you'll be established on the platform. But now you're entering the market when there is a lot many shops, when there are thousands of designers, thousands of print on demand already selling well on the platform, and now you're entering that. So think of a second how huge the competition is, and for you need to get the sales from that competition, you really need to stand out. Either you need to do the marketing. The second factor that comes into the play is the promotion. I couldn't tell you more guys. I've already made a bunch of the videos regarding particularly on how to promote your designs or products onto Pinterest. You can check in the card section above, in which I talk about how to promote your Teepublic shop, Redbubble shop, the same applies for the Creative Fabrica, the Jazzle, the Spreadshirt, the Society 6, the Displayed, whatever print on demand platform you're choosing, or wherever you are selling on this online space, you can promote it. These platforms have the organic sales. You're going to get the organic sales, of course, but it will going to take some time to get the organic sales because there are already millions of products selling and your product would be on the 100 page, 200 page or 500 page. I don't know where it is. So you need to get, if you need to get the quick sales, you need to promote it onto the Pinterest, the social media platform, the Facebook groups, the Quora, the Reddit, wherever you can promote it, the online space, promote it to your friends and family. You could even buy the products and gift it to your friends and families. Like if you are buying the gifts for Christmas or for some Halloween, for some occasions, for your friends and family members, purchase your own products and send them as a gift to them instead of purchasing someone else's products. And this way you can tell that person that, hey, I have designed this particular t-shirt for you and I'm gifting you. Did you like this design or not? In this way you can get the more word of mouth and you are telling your friends that you are a designer, and don't be ashamed of being called yourself a designer, because designer is a good stuff to be called, of course. So you can your design t-shirt as a gift to your friends and family members and ask them that did they like it or not. If they like it, tell them to spread it to their own friends and families, to all their colleagues and to the people whoever they meet, and tell them to promote it. In this way you can get a free promotion and a healthy promotion and get the more sales. So these are the two factors that you really need to emphasize over here. That's the quantity. Nothing can beat the quantity. Of course, the quality needs to be good. The quality needs not to be the bad. You don't need to compromise your quality. But the quantity is really important, because if you were the pioneer when there were only the 100 products or well, there were only the few thousand products, when you were entering the market, then you can get the sales from the 50 or the 100 products. But since there are the millions of products currently selling well onto these marketplaces, so your 50 or 100 products will going to be nowhere in that marketplace. Think of the second. And since you are a new seller, you don't have a social proof. You don't have a proof that your designs are selling well. In case of the Creative Fabrica, you get the reviews for each of the designs that you're uploading onto the Creative Fabrica. Now guys, you would be thinking that Creative Fabrica is a new platform. They don't have that much of the stuff. No, if you go into the Creative Fabrica, you see they have already having 2 million plus graphics onto the Creative Fabrica. Only the graphics. The embroidery patterns are different, the fonts are different, the bundles are different. Only the graphics is 2 million plus. So you can expect there are millions of products uploading 50 products, 100 products and expecting to make the good sales. Although the Creative Fabrica business model is different, the more you upload, the more you make because of the subscription business. I've already made a videos. I'm going to leave all the playlists of these videos in the card section above. You can check it out. But guys, upload more. Either you upload more or either you promote it well. Like, do it in two ways. Either you upload bunch of the different products on this platform and then expect to sales, or either you promote your market your products in a so much very well manner that you are getting the sales by just uploading the 100 products. And if you see that there are many shops who are making the good money by having just a 300 products or 100 products, they could be the pioneer on the platform, or they could be the marketer or promoter for their shops. Like they are promoting their shops on different social media. They have the social media fans or the followers or the subscribers, and they are promoting their shop to them. That's why they are making good money from just uploading the 100 products. So either upload more or either promote more, or do it in the combination of these two. That's my answer to this particular comment and question. I hope I really answered it. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, because I've been getting this thing a lot many times and I feel like I have been talking this thing a lot in my videos and still people are confused, still people are asking this question. I'm not telling you to don't ask me any question or don't leave the comments in the comment section below. I'm not telling you to do that, but I'm just telling you guys, either upload more, okay? Or either promote it so well that by just uploading the 100 designs you're getting the good sales, or by just uploading the 50 products you're getting the good sales, or either combine both these together, like you're uploading also more and you are promoting as well more, and do it in the long term. Don't think that you're gonna get sales within a month or within a 2 months. It might be in a 6 month, but expect it to be the long run and promote it well and do it according to. So that's today's video, guys. I hope you really have answered that question. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Are you still having doubt regarding this particular uploading factor, not getting sales, not getting views, not making that much money by uploading 50 or 100 products? Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. Don't be shameful of that kind of question. I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer that for you, but I hope I have answered it. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful, enjoyable. Do let me know what you think, and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.